when the entire world is facing COVID-19, and on this I want to take the advantage of this lockdown, so I have decided to teach the class 10th. I, Khalid Mahmood, teacher in Green Model High Secondary School, and the subject is biology. Our topic is nutrition of chapter life process. So firstly I would like to say what biology is. Bio means life and logy means to study. The study of living beings is known as biology. Coming on the life process, the processes which are related to the life, they are called life processes. There are various types of processes in our body, in the living beings, such as respiratory system, excretory system, digestive system, nervous system, and today we have to discuss about nutrition. What nutrition is? The process of intake of food by the living organism. It is known as nutrition. What are the different components of our food? Just like our 5 fingers, we have the 5 components of food, which are carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats and minerals and phosphate. And diet, which contains adequate amount of the above mentioned components, they are known as balanced diet. As far as the advantage of this balanced diet is concerned, it helps in reducing the weight loss. Similarly, it helps to have fight against any diseases. So it helps in maintaining our life so peacefully and comfortable. We would like next, coming on the types of nutrition, there is autotrophic mode of nutrition, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. What is autotrophic mode of nutrition? Auto means itself and trop means nutrition. Plants are capable of preparing their own food by the process of photosynthesis, and such a mode of nutrition is termed as autotrophic mode of nutrition. A typical example of this autotrophic nutrition is of photosynthesis. What happens in photosynthesis? Photo means light and synthesis means to produce. Plants, particularly green plants, are called autotrophs because the chlorophyll present on the surface of the leaves help in trapping the solar energy. It combines this glucose, it leads to the formation of glucose, which is the ultimate food of plants. Coming on the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, hetero means different and trop means nutrition. Animals directly or indirectly depend upon plants for their nourishment, and such a mode of nutrition is termed as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition, we have parasitic mode of nutrition, we have saprotrophic mode of nutrition, we have holozoic mode of nutrition. Coming on the saprotrophic mode of nutrition, sapro means rotten. When the organisms feed on the dead decaying material or products of plants and animals, such a mode of nutrition is termed as saprotrophic mode of nutrition. As far as parasitic mode of nutrition is, before discussing this parasitic mode of nutrition, I would like to say what are parasites. The organisms which depend on others, they are called parasites. Let me recite the example of this Anopheles female mosquito, which is a parasite on human being, is a host. It causes malaria. So don't forget, in the next time I will continue with the topic digestive system, digestion and how digestion occurs in human beings. Please, if you like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.